Well, hi there. My name is Chris. I'm the principal of the International College of Auckland, set in Auckland, a beautiful city by the sea, and often referred to as the city of sails, and always in the top 10 most livable cities in the world. It's my pleasure to introduce some of our programs which cover engineering at level 6 and 7, in civil engineering, in mechanical engineering, and in electrical engineering. We also have IT programs at level 6 and level 7 and level 5. Level 5 programs, students can go on after 1 year to complete 2 years of a bachelor's degree in computer and information sciences at Auckland University of Technology. We also have not only IT programs and engineering, but we also offer English programs from the beginners right through to preparation for postgraduate level 5, language level 5, postgraduate programs equivalent to IELTS 6.5. It's my pleasure now to talk a little bit about Canam and to encourage you to sign up for a meeting with Charitha, our representative in India, who you can meet on the 19th to the 28th of November. Just make an appointment through your Canam counsellor, and he would love to talk to you and encourage you to come to beautiful New Zealand and Auckland. Okay, all the best, and I hope to see you here in New Zealand. Bye.